Okay, so this was the first question. So can you read the question, Ayushi? First question.
An incident makes an angle 35 degrees with the surface of plane mirror. What is the angle of the reflection?
So it was incident ray, right?
Yes, sir.
So incident ray makes an angle with the surface of the mirror 35 degrees. Correct? This was the question?
Yes, sir.
That our incident ray makes an angle 35 degrees with the surface of
Plane mirror.
plane mirror. Okay, this is plane mirror. Okay. So what would be the angle of reflection, right? This one. Okay. Now as we know that the angle of incidence will always be equal to angle of reflection. This is angle I and this is angle R. And we also know that this is the normal. So normal means it is making 90 degree on the surface of the mirror. Okay. So this whole angle is 90 degree and this one is 35 degree. So this angle will be 90 minus 35. Isn't that so easy? 90 minus 35. So it would be 55. Obviously 55 degrees, sir. So as we know that from the first law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. So angle I is equal to 55. Then angle R is equal to 55. Is it easy? Okay, understood. Now coming to the next second question. What is the second question, Ayushi?
David is seeing his image in a plane mirror. The distance between his image and mirror is 4 meters. If he moves 1 meter towards the mirror, then the distance between David and his image will be.
So question is simply that the distance between image and mirror is 4 meters. Firstly, when David was 4 meters away from the mirror, okay. Obviously, if you are, and as we know that the image formed in a plane mirror at the same distance as it was the object, as that of the object. Object जितनी दूरी पे होगी उतना ही दूरी पे इमेज जो है फॉर्म होगा, ऐसा हम पढ़ चुके हैं. अब क्वेश्चन में ये है कि अगर डेविड 1 मीटर मिरर की तरफ मूव किया, ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली इमेज भी 1 मीटर मूव करेगा. ओके, सो नाउ टोटल डिस्टेंस ऑफ डेविड्स इमेज एंड डेविड्स ऑब्जेक्ट नॉट बिटवीन द मिरर. अगर मिरर और इनके बीच में पूछा जाए, डेविड के इमेज के बीच में, तो 3 मीटर. लेकिन टोटल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम डेविड टू हिज इमेज, David to his image, that would be 3 plus 3. That would be 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 meter. Correct? Now, third question.
The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meters per second. The driver sees his rear view mirror, the image of a truck parked behind his car. The speed at which the image of the truck appears to approach the driver will be 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second, or 8 meter per second.
Yes. Just apply the same concept to that question. Just consider David is not a man. Okay, David is a car. David is a car moving with a speed of 2 meters per second. So as I told you that if David moves towards the mirror, then his image will also be moved towards the mirror. Okay. So if car is moving and the image formed in the car's head mirror, that way is moving at 2 meters per second because he is reversing the car with the speed of 2 meters per second. So the image will also be reversed with the speed of same speed 2 meters per second. जैसे ये 1 मीटर मूव किए, ये भी 1 मीटर मूव किया, तो अगर डिस्टेंस इतना मूव किया तो एट द सेम टाइम मूव. तो सेम एज अगर ये 2 मीटर इधर मूव किए तो ये भी 2 मीटर इधर से मूव किए. हाँ, जैसे वो हमारे क्वारंटाइन में बच्चन साहब ऐसा कर रहे हैं तो वो भी ऐसे कर रहे हैं. तो जब गलती से हम लोग जंगल में देखे, बहुत सारे रील में जंगल में मिरर रख देता है, उधर से कुत्ता आया, ऐसे देखा, वो भी देख रहा कुत्ता, वो ये भी वो उधर से वो कर रहा है, लग रहा है वही बोल रहा है, उसका अपना खुद ही का आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है. तो सेम है इसमें, अगर ये 2 मीटर पर सेकंड से मूव कर रहा है, ये भी 2 मीटर पर सेकंड से मूव करेगी. करेक्ट? सो टोटल स्पीड भी
4 meters per second.
जैसे आप यहाँ पे 1 मीटर इधर से बढ़े, 1 मीटर इमेज भी बढ़ गया, तो सेम है जैसे ही 2 मीटर के स्पीड से अगर आप बैकवर्ड कर रहे हैं तो जो आप मिरर में देखेंगे तो टोटल स्पीड कितना हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप अगर 2 मीटर से पीछे जा रहे हैं तो आपका इमेज भी 2 मीटर से आपके तरफ आगे आ रहा है, तो टोटल मल्टीप्लाइड टोटल प्लस
4 मीटर
टोटल सब 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Your C option is correct. Understood? Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.